folks. I just made an instructional video for this tune, which is not the modal Cold Frosty Morning, but this is what people usually call it Melvin Wine's Cold Frosty Morning. It comes to us from fiddler Melvin Wine, and it's in A major tuning, not an A modal tuning. So I'm just going to play it for you so you can see how it goes. If you're interested in learning it and having access to the maybe 70 or 80 or so other instructional videos that I have, all my newer videos are on my Patreon site, which costs $4 a month to access. So anyway, here's Melvin Wine's Cold Frosty Morning. All right, I'll put a link in the comments in case you're willing to join us over there.